Everyone, how to change oil on Toyota Sienna 2008 to up to 2016, I think 2007 to 2016. I lift it up a little bit so I can go, but it's better to have the car level. Once I drain the oil, I'll just drop the van to the ground, make it level, and so here's the oil pan, oil filter, and drain bolt, 14 millimeter. I already loosed it, so leave it drain completely. Then I'll open this oil filter. This I'm just gonna use a 1/2 inch, this one like extension, and we're just gonna lose this a little bit. Okay. Huh? Okay, so this is where the small ring goes in here. We're gonna replace that. Now we're gonna need another wrench to open this. I think it's 50 millimeter maybe to open this one here. Okay. This is the O-ring, the small one. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit. Okay, you just use a brake and spark cleaner. Still pretty good actually. So you can keep it. If it's in good shape, you can keep it. If it's bad, you can replace it. Okay. Clean this a little bit. Tooling. That's the tools we need. The old oil filter. Just gonna clean this quickly and then install the new filter. This is the new one. So you can see this one is removable too. See? You can remove this, press, turn, and it is important to replace this ring, especially the big one. So it doesn't leak. See? Good. and the small one goes in here. I'll show you. That's the small one, like that. And then this one. Now, just gonna install this one back in. Hand tight, should be good. Yeah, that's just like that. Good. This is ready to go. Good. Yeah, there you go. Good. Good. Good.
Yourself?
So after we put our oil, we're very close to the level. We're just gonna start the engine, leave it for running for about few seconds, 30 seconds or so. You know, sometimes push the gas a little bit at 1000 RPM, 30 seconds, turn the engine off and then wait for about like a minute and then check the engine level again to make sure it's all level, not too much, not too low. I think this engine, it's a 2008 Toyota Sienna V6. It takes about 6.1 liter, which is incredibly a lot of oil for this engine. So because the engine is still up, we are at the low, you see. This is full, low. So the better is to add this second dot here. You see the second one? That's full. Anything below is low. So we need to wait a little bit because the engine, we just shut it off. The oil will settle down a little bit, and then we'll check in about 1 minute to check, make sure where we at. I always leave a little bit, not to put too much oil, because if the oil too much, it'll go to the spark plugs and cause you like misfiring, a lot of other problems. So always wait a little bit to let the car set. The oil will settle down a little bit, and then check it again at this. If this level, that's perfect. Now it's a good time to check all the fluid. Like this is a steering wheel, power steering wheel fluid, and it's you can see low and full. So you're just gonna add a little bit. Always use the recommended, like the recommended what's called the OMG, yeah, dot 3. That's one, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So never use like fluid is like aftermarket or so. Yeah. Now just a little bit over, it should be fine, but it's full, so that's good. The brake fluid is good, level. And then also you can check the transmission fluid here. Transmission fluid is the opposite. You have to run the car to check it, but it looks good. See, it says here hot, cold. So if the engine running, it should be here. If the engine off, here. But it's good. I can see oil there. So here. So we're just gonna add a little bit more. About like half a liter or so. Yeah. And then wait a little bit. So we added pretty much 6.1 liter with the oil filter, and we are very close here, so that's pretty good. Let's clean it and double check again. And okay, yeah, I think we're good. So it's hard to tell, but up to here, so we're very close. Anyway, so the best is to wait until the all oil settled down and then check again. Okay, and but yeah, thank you so much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next time.